Hello everybody, how's it going? It's Kelly at Girl Upcycled Studio. How are you doing today? Did find this cool little table, and it's actually the perfect table. Look, it swivels. It's kind of cool. It's a little retro jobby, right? I am using the DIY paint. I've got that backwards, I'm sorry. But it is the vintage linen. That is probably one of my top favorite go-to neutrals that I use. It's a pretty white. It has a little bit of warmth to it. I love this color because it tends to change according to what's around it and with the light. So these are transfers from the IOD company, which stands for Iron Orchid Design. It's beautiful, isn't it? It has a lot of detail. It even looks like it's weathered. So it comes already with this kind of this antiquing effect done to it. So when it comes, it's all rolled up, and you'll want to go ahead and peel the little piece back. Now don't do that until you're ready to use it, okay? What I've done so far is I've measured to find the center point of my table, and I've used just a little piece of chalk, and I've got a little slight coloring right there. I know you guys probably can't see it, but it's there. And this table measured to be 24 inches each way, so it was pretty easy to find my center. Okay, so now I'm ready to go ahead and get started. Pull that off. I want my front to be right here. So I will see if I can turn this so y'all can see it. And the way I do it is I just look for the center. There's kind of a center mark on your transfer. I'm going to get that laid down. Whoops, and don't push it down too hard, because I can feel it sticking just slightly on me. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just lightly smooth it down, okay? Making sure. So I'm going to take a little bit of tape, and I'm just going to lightly, just so I don't bump it. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, so in your little box, you'll see this little wooden stick, and you just want to start rubbing it down. So I'm not sure time-wise, but you guys can pretty much see that took, not very much time at all, did it? So way better than an all-day transfer projects. Top coat is required. So what I will do now is I'll lightly sand it wherever I want, and then I'll go ahead and I'll do probably 2 top coats of Big Top, and I will put the links to all the product in there so y'all can find that, and I'll also show you a picture of this when I get it completely finished, okay? All right, gang, I'm gonna get ready and go do a fun paint party, so I'll see you guys later.